So yeah guys, I'm here now on the spa. This is the swimming pool. This is the best spa I ever experimented. So yeah, this is beautiful. Look at this huge pool. We have here the part for the relax, and yeah, look at this. This is amazing. I'm here in Porto on 5-star hotel. The swimming pool is huge, as you can see, and I will show you the rest. Here I made and we have the jacuzzi with the green water. I never saw anything like that. And we have this one. Yeah. Now I will go to the pool. Next I go to the sauna, and next jacuzzi maybe. I will try all the things here, all the stuff, yeah. But yeah, this pool have like massage, as you can see here. So I will do it. So yeah guys, see you in a few moments. Yeah guys, I'm here now in the pool. Look how beautiful is this place. This is the most beautiful spa I ever been. So look at this. Yeah. Next I will go to the sauna, jacuzzi, and I don't know how to say this in English, but yeah, it's a turkey bath, I think. I don't know. But yeah, look at this. It's so huge, the pool. Yeah. Yeah guys, during the Friday when I was recording my video and during my day, so at the lunchtime, where is my New York time zone here in Portugal, like 2:30, I was like returning to the swimming pool, and as you can see here, I had this trade here, okay, clean shot. I sent to my Discord, and the guys like copied the trade like me. Was crazy shot. And as you can see here, I will break down the trades for you guys. So let me delete the zones, and as you can see here, the candle that we trade is the 6 and the 10 a.m. okay, New York time. So I have a bullish and a bearish here, and I have a bearish and a bullish here. So this was my zones for the session from Friday, and I go to the 5 minutes, and as you can see here, what I had was, so price in this open was this candle here. I don't have anything to trade here in this range, and finally price break the 4-hour zone. So I like to enter on this zone here from the 5 minutes. It's like a refinement on the 5 minutes from the 4-hour zone. And as you can see here, simple as that, what price did, break and retest, 30 pips, fixed targets and fixed SL, break, retest, TP in 3 candles. So simple as that. We are below the moving average. Let me change the color of the moving average. I don't know why this is like a bit greeny. It can be like this. And yeah, as you can see, price is below, break and retest the 4-hour zone, refinement zone, and in 3 candles we hit the 30 pips. Okay, whoa, looks amazing. One of the best bathrooms that I ever been. Look at this. Walking shower. Whoa, it's amazing. Look at the bathroom. Look at this. The view is not the best. I have been on hotels with the best views, with sea, etc., like a pool. But yeah, it's a nice view, yeah. It's a nice weather too today, so yeah. In the next hours we'll go like to lunch something, and later will be the music festival where I will see the Scorpions and other bands. Will be amazing. Look at the size of this TV. Oh my god, it's huge. I never seen a TV like this. It's huge. Look at this. Yeah. So I will prepare my things and I will go out to lunch. I will show you guys what I will eat today. So as you can see, guys, we are returning to the hotel. I'm so full. We ate a francesinha. Was I think was the best one that I tasted. So yeah, see you guys in a few minutes. Hey guys, I'm here on the festival now. I'm waiting for the 3 bands until the Scorpion starts the concert. So yeah guys, I will sit here on the floor, on the grass, fake grass, and yeah, see you guys in the Scorpions. Yeah guys, I'm back to the hotel. It's near to 2 a.m. here. I'm so tired, but it was an amazing concert, amazing festival. I will take a rest and I will continue the vlog tomorrow. So see you guys tomorrow. Morning, guys. Yeah, I was so tired yesterday, so I didn't record like many things at the night. So yeah, basically I was supposed to wake up at 7:30 a.m. and I wake up like now, that is near to 10 a.m. I will eat something for the breakfast and I will go to the spa again, but the day will be basically the same as yesterday, so not worth to record again. So hope you enjoyed the video. This was my day in a life in Porto. Hope you enjoyed the video. Was just I like to travel a lot, so I want to post sometimes on my YouTube channel about the traveling and my experiences with the hotels and places, countries. So yeah, guys, see you in the next video and hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and yeah, this will help me to grow the YouTube channel. And yeah, see you guys.